Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log in into your e-learning Ethiopian Airlines account, right? So it's really easy. You have to just go to Google and search for e-learning Ethiopian Airlines here, and you will get this first link, which is by this official link here. Click on it, and once you click on it, you have to just wait for a few seconds here. Now, as you can see here on the top right, it says that you are not logged in. So we have to log in into this. So click on this. Now here you have to enter your username and password and then just click on login, right? So this is how you can do it, and this is only one way. But there's another option which is called as a login as a guest. So if I just click on here, right, so it will just take me as a guest and it will only show me only two features, that is home and calendar. That's it and nothing else. So only if you have your email address and password, and if you have that account, then only you will be able to log in into this, right? So this is an e-learning portal. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.